It's brow time, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Just a quick tutorial on how I do my brows in the morning on my way to work. Nothing too fancy. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave them at the bottom. Also, give me some ideas for new content you guys may want to see. But I'm going to jump right into the video. My brows are super thick, so I have to brush them a lot while I'm doing this process. The exact products I'm using for my brows are from my local beauty supply, the pomade as well as the concealer, and I will leave them both in the description bar at the bottom. So here I'm just filling in my brows with that pomade. Like I said, I'll leave it in the description bar at the bottom. I'm pretty sure you can find it at any local beauty supply store. It's just a regular Kiss pomade. I just basically fill in my brows natural arch and kind of over exaggerates it in certain spots because everybody has a little sparse hair here and there. Fenty Beauty concealer, as well as a little dab of Mary Kay. I purchased that thinking that it was a good coverage, but it's actually darker than my natural skin tone, so I just kind of use it to cool down the concealer, and I just use it to do what I'm doing here. It's really not that hard. A lot of people have trouble with the line, but that's what the concealer is for. You use that as basically like a eraser, so if you mess up, just go back in with either one until you get that perfect arch. So here I'm actually doing the same thing I did on the other side. I know the concealer looks a little darker. That's because I did add a little bit more of that Mary Kay on this side. So it doesn't matter because you're going to blend that all out anyway. This side is my trouble side. I always mess up, but like I said, that's what I use the concealer for. I just go in and fix it. If I go too far in with the concealer, I go back with the pomade. It's just, just keep going back and forth and back and forth. Always blend out that front, ladies. You do not want to have a box brow. That is not the business. And then just taking my beauty blender, that nail, don't worry, that will definitely be fixed. Just blending it out, blend, blend, blend. Keep going until you are comfortable with the blend. But you do not want it to look like a cartoon, so just blend it as much as you can. And I am not a professional, just note that. Not a professional. This is just how I do mine, my technique. Everybody does it different. Some things work different for other people. Oh, he's leaving. Love you. Once again, like I said, if you go too far in with your concealer, you can always go back out with your pomade and fill in those sparse parts. So here I forgot to show you guys, but I am basically using a brow powder. It's just a dark brown powder that I got from Sephora. Like I said, I will leave all of the products that I'm using down in the description bar, but I just use that to just take the shine off from the brow. You don't want it to look, like I said, cartoon. So that's basically what I did when I went off camera. Sorry about that. So I know I said it was a brow video, but why not go ahead and add some foundation? Fenty Beauty all the way. Now, like I said, this is just the basic of the most basic face. Like, literally just brows and foundation. I'm just going to work. But I will do other videos where I do a full face. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so every technique you see is not Bible. But I will do other videos that include lashes, eyeshadow, and all the other good stuff. So I'm just going to finish putting on my foundation. I'm going to add some pressed powder, some mascara, just to finish up the look. Nothing really big on my way to work. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time.